Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how top designers maintain consistency and efficiency in their projects, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a design system in Figma, and by the end, you'll know how to streamline your workflow and create a library of reusable components that truly elevate your designs. Let's jump right in. Now, typically you might be tempted to just build your system from scratch right inside your Figma canvas. And while that's totally possible, today I want to save you time by showing you a smart shortcut using Figma's incredible design system templates. Not only is this faster, but it's also a fantastic way to see what a well-structured design system actually looks like in the real world. First things first, open up Figma and head over to the templates. To do this, look for the template browser, which is right at the top when you create a new file. It might take a moment to load if you haven't looked at templates before, so don't worry if it spins for a second. Once you're in the template library, use the search bar and type in Design System or just Designs. Figma has a ton of resources, so you'll see several professional starting points, ranging from basic UI kits to comprehensive design system setups. Pick out a template that resonates with your needs. There's really no wrong answer here, so just choose one that looks appealing or matches the kind of style you're hoping to achieve for your project. For example, if you're working on a web app, pick a template tailored for digital products. You could even select one that feels totally different from your goals, just to explore how other designers approach their systems. Once you've added the template, you'll notice an organized project is now laid out in front of you, everything from logos and color palettes to buttons, cards, icons, and even those more complex components like navigation bars and forms, all neatly grouped and labeled. This is the power of a design system. Every element you might need is already standardized to ensure visual harmony and ease of use throughout your product. So whenever you need a new button or design pattern, you don't have to recreate it from scratch or worry about inconsistencies. It's all right there ready to grab and drop into your own files. Now you might be thinking, but isn't this someone else's work? And that's where the beauty of customization comes in. These templates are just a foundation. Think of them like a sketch for a painting. You can jump in and start personalizing everything. Swap in your brand colors, tweak the typography, update icons, or even adjust components to better fit your product's personality or user needs. Don't be afraid to get creative here. The goal is to make the system your own so it serves your unique project. Take your time as you go through each section of the template. A good design system is more than just a library. It's a toolkit that should work with you, not against you. If something feels off or doesn't quite fit your style, simply adjust it. Think of your design system as a living document, something that can and should grow as your project evolves. And that's really it for the basics, at least. You now have a clear starting point for building an efficient, consistent, and professional-looking design system in Figma. Remember, the more you invest in organizing and tailoring your design system up front, the faster and smoother your design process will be down the road. I hope this walkthrough helps you see how approachable and powerful a Figma design system can be. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more in-depth tutorials on specific parts of design systems. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tips and creative tech guides. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.